Hi, it's Raj. In this video, I'm going to share my review of the Indomie special chicken flavor noodle which I bought from Amazon India. So, let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Indomie is one of the best instant noodle produced by the world's largest instant noodle manufacturer, Indofood, which is an Indonesian company. Because of its popularity, it's being exported to over 60 countries including India. So, I came across this product in Amazon India while I was searching for instant noodles. After reading the reviews, I decided to try it out. So, this is the package which is imported by Tara Trading Company, who is also the seller in Amazon India. In the package, there are 40 packs of noodles, each weighing 75 grams. Each pack has noodles and 3 sachets of seasoning powder, seasoning oil, and dried chili powder. The pack also has the halal certification. Preparation takes around 5 to 10 minutes or more based on the ingredients you add. I just went along with the pack contents and instructions and made a soupy as well as a non-soupy noodle, and say what, the soupy noodle tasted better. Also, I would say this is the best noodle that I ever had. It's yummy if you are careful with the ingredients. The pack clearly says not suitable for infants below 12 months since it contains MSG, that is monosodium glutamate, which even grown-ups don't prefer to consume. So, you can either use it or make your own masala. In my case, I prefer only half the sachet of seasoning powder cause I added the whole sachet once and it made the noodle salty. So yeah, this is the second time I am purchasing Indomie from Amazon India. There are also 2 other flavors like mee goreng and chicken. Thanks to Tara Trading Company for importing this tasty noodle. Hope they add more variants and buying preferences. Check the video description for the Amazon and Flipkart links of the product. Hope the video was useful. Peace.